Hello, welcome to the Gambia Technical Training Institute model site. I'm here to explain about global settings. Um, when we are talking about global settings, you need to click on what we call the site administration. When we click on site administration, we have different settings, right? But first of all, let's talk about the user settings, right? The users. When we click on users, let's go to permission, right? Then we go to users policies. When we click on user policies, it takes us to the user policy page. That's the user policy page. Now, role of visitor, you have to use guest role for guest. The same thing here is set as default. Authenticate users, creators role in new courses. That's the manager, right? It can be also a teacher. It can be a non-editing teacher. Restore role in access, none. It can be a manager, it can be a teacher, it can be auto login guest, no. Hide user fields. If you want to hide users field in any of these, you can select the one you want to hide. Show user identity. You choose either ID number, email, phone, mobile phone, department, institution, but we want to show our users identity by email. Enable gravatar, no. Then we save the changes, right? When we click on save changes, now we move on to the we can also we click on assign system role. Assign system role. This is to assign roles to the system. So these are the roles we have for the system. When we go to role of a manager, course creator, we assign role users with role of a manager or course creator. You choose anyone. Good, like this. So you can choose one here and it will appear here, right? Like this. Add it. Good. See, this is assigned as the role of a manager in system, right? So if you like, you can remove it. If you don't want it there, you can remove it. After assigning role to system role, if you like, you can check your system permission, right? Check system permission is part of it. Permission, okay. But just to save time, we also can check on location settings. The location settings tell you the default time zone server. You select your server, that will detect the server time. First default time zone, users can choose their own time zone. Yes, you choose your own time zone because we are from different areas, so we have to choose our own time zone. Now country, we're gonna choose the Gambia because we are from the Gambia, so Gambia is our country. Default city, we can put Banjul here, right? Banjul is the city of our country. The IP address lookup, right? This one can be set as default. The Google Map API key, the all countries code. Our country code can be 00220. That's our country code. Right, then we save the changes. Okay. Valid current value GM. So here we are going to choose GM. It's not activated at the moment, but that's default country. Okay. Now let's move to the update time zone. Update time zone. This is the time zone update completed list of time zone. Right, you click on continue. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now what we need to do is to go to security. We click on security. Let's look at the IP blocker. Click on IP blocker. Right. Alert this will be processed first. Default yes. IP block alert IP list. Right. The IP you want to allow to have access to this. You write the IP address 192.10.1.5. Right. You can type the IP there. Then you move on block IP list. You type the IP addresses that you want to block from this site, right? Then you save the changes. After IP block, you go to site policies. You click on site policies. These are the site. Protect username, yes. Force users to log in, no. Force users to log in for profiles, yes. Force users to log in to view user picture, yes. You can click on yes. Open to Google, yes. Then here, profile visible roles. It can be a manager, a course creator, a teacher, a student, guest. authenticate user on front page, right? We can use a manager, right? A teacher not a student, guess we can log it like that. If you like, also we can authenticate users on front page. Oh no, authenticate users, yes, we can have that. Good. Then we said maximum upload file, server limited. It can be 2 megabytes, 1 MB, 500, 150, 10. Let's say 100, right? KB. User code, right? You type the code, maximum number of bytes that user can store in their own private file area, right? Yes, you type it there. Allow embed an object, yes, you allow an embed object. You click on yes. Enable trust content. You can say yes or no. Maximum time of edit post. Yeah, here you can select 30. If you like, select 15 minutes, 30, or you make it 45 minutes. Full name formatted. Language. Allowed extended characters. Site policies URL. Here you type double dot blah blah. Site policy URL for guests. You can type double dot. You give a site name, right, on the URL. Yes. Cron password for remote. Password policy, etc. Email checking confirmation. Yes. Remember, user optional strict safety. Yes. We can also look at the HTTP security. HTTP use HTTP for logins. Yes, secure cookies only. Yes, you click on yes. Here also you click on yes. You select yes. All HTTP cookies. You can say no. Allow free embarking, yes. Prevent password auto completion of login. Yes, you safely changes, right? Then you have notification. Good. Display login failures to nobody. You can select administrator and teachers, everyone who can change the configuration, what is also say, right? You have to select the ones you want. Email login failures, the same thing here also. So you save the changes. Anything you change here, you make sure you save the changes. Let's move on antivirus. We're running against time. We have few seconds to go. Good. This is also the antivirus page. So you have to change everything. You have to set them, make the settings right, and then you save the changes. Thank you very much. That's the end of my section.